There was a moment in my HVAC business where I realized that I didn't own a business. I had built myself a job, and not just any job, a stressful job, a demanding job, a job that depended completely on me showing up every single day. Now, from the outside looking in, things probably looked pretty good. We were busy. We had added a few trucks at the time. The phones were ringing. Money was coming in. Had a couple employees, we had customers. But internally, I was exhausted because I was the technician, the scrapper, right? I was scrapping units. I was the manager. I was the salesperson. I was the marketer. I was the problem solver. I was sometimes the dispatcher. I was the motivator, trying to keep everybody happy. I was the guy carrying the pressure. And if I slowed down, and I couldn't give myself permission to take any time off, because if I slowed down, even for a second, at least the way it felt to me, then everything slowed down with me. Maybe you know exactly what I'm talking about. You start your company because you wanted freedom, but somewhere along the way you become trapped inside of this thing that you've built. And what's crazy is most HVAC business owners don't even realize this is happening, because they think, well, business is supposed to be hard. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's easy. Business is hard. But chaos and structure are not the same thing. They're two opposite sides of the spectrum. So being a busy HVAC business owner who's just running with this controlled chaos, or they think it's controlled, eventually that chaos catches up to you. And I remember just getting to a point where I started asking myself, what happens if I stop? What would happen if I get sick? What happens if I want to leave town? What happens if I want to spend time with family and rest and catch my breath? What happens if I don't want to run every call forever? And the answer was simple. The business is going to suffer. And that was the moment. I realized that I hadn't built a business. I had built a prison for myself. I had built this dependency. My relationship with the business was dependency. The business depended on me. The company depended on me. And that realization just changed the way that I looked at business forever, because I started understanding, I just looked at it from a different perspective. I started understanding something, really important, which was working harder, because I was burning the candles at both ends, right? So working harder is not going to be a long-term answer. The only thing that's going to fix this is systems, structure, processes, leadership, training, KPIs, tracking numbers, beginning to learn about beginning the process of learning my financials, right? Installing systems into the business. That's what I began doing. And that's actually what changed everything. I stopped thinking like a technician only, right? I still had to do technician work sometimes, but I stopped thinking about, my mindset changed. That's the only way I can describe it. And I started learning how to think like an operator, how to think like an actual business owner, which is a completely different mindset. A technician may be asking themselves, how do I get through today, right? How do I get this job done so I can get to my other 3 calls today? Where an operator is going to start asking the question, how do I build something that functions without me, right? How can I spread myself out? How can I begin to maybe take some things off of my plate? So it's just a huge difference, you know. Instead of just setting these calls and these installations out in front of you, and that's all you can see, you like remove yourself from that, and you get to a very high location, and you're looking down, and you're seeing that there's all this world and all these different options that exist besides for what you've been focusing on, which was just today's calls, tomorrow's installs. So once I shifted into that mindset, started thinking differently, everything started to change, really. I mean, we implemented systems, started creating structure, tracking more KPIs. We started with just very basic KPIs in the beginning. And we started improving processes, improving communication. We started creating standards. We implemented a training program where we implemented meetings, you know, which we had never had meetings before. And with the standards and the accountability and the structure and you know, we added like employee handbooks and policy manuals, you know, so we could start to grab a hold of the steering wheel here and control where we're going. And slowly, over time, the business became less dependent on me. So I wasn't personally carrying everything all the time. And, you know, listen, like, I'm not saying that this happens overnight. This took me a few years. I was in and out of the field all the time. But finally, I gradually got more and more time where I just wasn't in the field. And it got to the point where I was hardly in the field at all. So it doesn't happen overnight. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you and lie to you that it can change like that and like some of these other people. It's a lie. I know we'd love it to be that way, but that's not how it is. So here's what I'll tell you is that the moment you realize that you have just built yourself a job, that's the same moment that you finally have the opportunity to start building an actual business. And I think a lot of HVAC business owners need to hear this. Like you do not have to stay trapped forever. You do not have to run every call forever. You do not have to stay overwhelmed forever. You do not have to carry the entire company on your back forever. But you do have to start building it differently. You have to start thinking differently. Because if you don't intentionally install systems into your business, the business will always default back to chaos. And that's why I'm such a huge believer in structure and implementation and operating systems inside a business. Because creating freedom for yourself inside of your business, it's not going to happen by accident. It doesn't just naturally happen over time. Freedom comes from having systems built, installed, implemented, and those standards being held inside of your company. And that's the difference. That's the shift, right? And honestly, this realization, which came from a pit of pain, it changed my life. Completely changed my life. Changed the direction that we were headed as a business. So, if this video connected with you, drop me a comment below. Let me know where you're at in your business right now. And if you're serious about building a more structured, scalable HVAC business, be sure to subscribe to this channel because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about here. So I will see you on the next video. Go make money. Boom.